Okay, let's parallel park. So here's a car. Signal to the right. Check the mirror and the shoulder. Pull up about 2 feet or a half a meter from the side of this vehicle. Stop when my back bumper is in line with this vehicle, like there. Place the gear selector to reverse. You need a 3/4 revolution to the right, so the 12 will end up where the 9 is. 3/4 turn. Then all I have to do is back up and check like crazy. So I keep going back. Now when the front of my vehicle is in line with the back of this vehicle, but of course at an angle, I stop completely, get all the turns into the left, then get out of the way. Whoa, I did hit the curb. I can fix it. Right there. Place to drive, straighten out the wheel, move it up a little bit, and then straighten it back up again to leave sufficient space. Right there. Place, in this case I place the car to neutral, press the parking brake, and then here's a secondary parking brake. I just pull this, the car will not move, and that's about it. Now notice that I did touch the curb when parallel parking. Now on the test, it's really up to the examiner. They could actually fail you for doing that, but this is the real world, the real life. No one is perfect, so it doesn't matter how good you are, you could actually touch or be a bit too far from the curb. Well, in this case I touched. Let's say it happened to you on the test. If you don't, as long as you don't bang into it, you could just fix it and they're not gonna fail you unless the examiner is extremely mean. So as long as you can fix it, because once you have your license, some people even jump the curb while parallel parking. So it's okay to do it, but try not to let it happen on the test, because you don't know who you have as an examiner. Okay, so please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.